Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change font size on your Samsung Galaxy A25. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find this tab which is named Display. Click on it and here scroll down until you'll find this tab Font Size and Style. And here is it. As you can see here, we got the demonstration how the text will look, and on this tab we are also able to choose the font style and make it bold. And now the main question. To change the font size, we would need to move this dot around this line, and you can also see that the demonstration immediately changed. So here you can see and find your perfect text size, and we can also adjust it by clicking on these letters. If you click on the big one, it will become bigger, and on the small one, smaller. And this is it. Now to save the changes, we would need to click on this arrow at the left upper corner, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.